Boy, she really crunched on it. Whoop. It's a big one now. Oh, oh boy. That could be a real big boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that one. Wow, there's a biggie. Look at him.
You're getting it now, you're talking.
Yeah, I know. See what I mean? We came back in, we pinned right on that exact position. We saw that those fish, and they actually slowed down the boat and fishing a lot slower. And guess what you catch? Some real whoppers. So that's a nice one there. It's a real pretty fish. So look at that thing. Look at that type of weeds that is. You know, mapping unquestionably is one of the things that I personally feel is probably one of the biggest things that actually has revolutionized angling. And there's for a variety of different reasons. One is for once you figure out a pattern, it's very easy to duplicate that pattern, whether it be a deep point, sunken islands, some type of rock habitat, but it goes way beyond that, and it's really associated to the maps that are inside these units. This is a LakeMaster mapping, but one thing, we're fishing a lot of big weed lakes, and one thing that's vitally important when you look at a good flat, a lot of times the best flats are not of uniform depth, but are more varied depth. Like you look at this spot right here, you can see that there's like a hole actually up on the flat. There's higher spots of 8, very depth, and what that does is forms different weed depth or weed composition and more edges, and that's what's really a bit big. When you're looking at map structures, look for ones that actually have varied depth changes on those flats, and they have the tendency to be the best spots in a lot of cases. Not only that, once you get up close, when you look at this spot here, you see that like little inside corner right there? With these 1 foot accurate contour maps like this, it's amazing how a lot of times the fish will be holding on that exact spot. You zoom in and the fish are right inside that corner.
Here's a good one. Boy, they're porking up. They're starting to pork up good. Look at that. Putting the feed bag on.